Wheels and tires have been and continue to be at the center of the aftermarket truck modification world. With a fresh set of wheels, you can go from on the street to off-road with just a quick change of your truck shoes. The Moto Metal one-piece satin black milled wheel is one of the cleanest looking wheels you can get for your truck. The 8-spoke design is eye-catching on the road as it is at your local meter show. The wheel comes in 5, 6, and 8 lug bolt patterns and a variety of sizes. Now that we've gone over the wheels, let's stop talking about them and see what they look like on our F-250. The first thing we want to do before mounting tires on these wheels is to dry fit them and check for clearance. Once you mount the tires onto the wheels, they can't be returned. When we know everything's good to go, we'll get a fresh set of tires wrapped on these Moto Metal wheels. Based on what you're looking for as far as looks or performance, there's a lot of tire options that we'll cover in another video. Once everything is mounted, balanced, and ready to roll, we take off the stock wheels by removing the necessary lug nuts. With the stock ones off and the Moto Metals back from the tire shop, they can go on. There's few mods that can have such an immediate impact on the look of your truck as wheels and tires do. With a fresh set of wheels, this looks like a totally different truck. So if you're looking to improve the looks in your truck, head on over to xdp.com and get a set of Moto Metal wheels of your own. We'll see you in the next video. Have any questions or want to know more? Drop a comment below and be sure to like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video.